that's right, the organizers, hardware organizers. Yeah, we could put some of this stuff in here. What the? What's this doing here? I'll just set it back over here. Sure do something good. These divider things look like they could be put in the wire nut bin. I'm just going to put it in here like that. And this needs to be closed. I don't know if I should recycle it. I'm going to hold on to them. What? Thought I set this thing back up. There, stay. I'm out of here. Okay, alright, Auger, here it is. Soon the class began doing whatever they wanted. Some banged on the drum salad. They weren't listening to Dave, they were acting out. Dave tried to take control. Alright guys, let's put down the drumsticks.
A few moments later.
Can you teach about opera? Oh, looks like you're... Since when Simon would ask about opera? What's that noise? Ah, can't.
One eternity later.
Come here, check it out. It's that alarm clock. It's that robot-looking alarm clock. Who put that on wheels? I think it was May 2019. But however, it looks okay. But I mean, we could. Well, let's just leave it there. If I need to come use the bathroom in the middle of the night, if I'm looking for the time, I'll just have a clock in here. All right, that's pretty convenient. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn the light off.
Several bad puns later.
Night, Auger. Night, Sandy.
Meanwhile. Three days later.
Where'd it go? Oh no. Oh! Come on. Oh, that was lock the door. Oh, that was close. Ah! Whoa! Oh, you get out of here! Let's get out of here!
gotta go pull the cord.
And ooh, that was close, man.
Okay.